this is Betty and welcome back to another video. Today I am here to showcase a company that contacted me on Instagram. They are called Your Paper Insider. And I'm going to be playing with some of their papers. They sent me these beautiful papers to play with. And I wanted to come on today and share with all of you. I will leave a link to their Instagram page in the description box below, as well as a link to their store online so that you guys can check it out and shop and pick up some really nice papers. I'm going to open this package right here. And I'm going to share with you the papers that are inside. Let's go through the papers. So here is a beautiful silver glittery paper. I love specialty paper. It's nothing like it to jumpstart your project. So also this beautiful black. This is a matte. This is just a white cardstock. And this one right here, it looks like a blue jean cardstock. And it has a really good weight on it. You hear that? So really good weight to this one. And then there's some acetate. And then this one is a little thinner. This would be great to create some paper flowers or to do some rosettes. So this will make a really nice paper to do that. Then this one right here, this has the feel of like a tissue paper. So this is really different. This will make a good paper to use to include in some layering in your projects. And then this one has a really good weight on it right here. This iridescent sheet. I love that. So I'm noticing that these papers, they have different weights to them. So I really like that because you need different weight depending on what paper craft you are working on. Such as flowers, you need something a little lighter or a lighter weight. And also with rosette creating, you don't want a cardstock that's too thick. It makes for making the rosette a little bit more difficult. So, and then for the base of your card making and your 3D projects, you need something a little heavier weight. And I'm noticing some of these are a heavier weight. So I really like that. This purple is really pretty. And then this is another like the tissue paper. This to me would be good to shred and include in packaging. So that's something probably I would do with this type paper. Here's another iridescent sheet. It has a great weight to it, so I like that. And then this really pretty purple. This would be great for Halloween crafting. And then here's another thinner paper right here. Really different. This is really nice and different. I love this. This could be used as some texture for mixed media. That would be a great idea. Love this wine paper. Really pretty. Here's some pretty orange. And again, this has a really good weight to it. Here's like a deep yellow. And I'm thinking in my head as I go through the papers, I have the Winnie the Pooh dies, and this I'm already seeing would be great for that. This would be a great paper to use in fall flower making because it's a lighter weight. Look at this right here. This is really different and unique. How pretty is that? That is so pretty. It has some gold accents in it. And here's another thicker cardstock. I love this gold here. It is so thick, you guys. Love it. You guys got to go check out these papers and get some of these specialty papers in your stash. This is a lighter weight. Looks like a light wood grain. This would make a good paper to use in scenery, like if you want to use this to represent the floor or even the wall, like in your scene cards. That would be great for that. This is a thicker weight right here. I love that color, and it has specks of shine or sheen to it. Now, I thought about it. This will also probably be good to make some of those Teddy Bears, some of those type characters. I just thought about that. This would be good for that. And then this beautiful paper. And then this one right here. This is a heavier weight. This would be good for leaves. It already has the texture in it. And then this brown right here, this would be good to do some gingerbread crafting with. This is thick too, you guys. Oh my goodness, it's really thick. And then here's another one of those greens. And then this is a white, but it has texture in it. So this is nice as well. So I love all of the papers that I was sent, and I can't wait to get started. Thank you so much, You're a Paper Insider, for contacting me, and I can't wait to play with your wonderful papers. I would like all of my crafty friends to go visit their Instagram, as well as take a look around the store and see what you can grab and purchase and play with and add to your crafty stash. Thank you guys for tuning in today, and stay tuned for some more crafty videos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube family if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.